You are listening to the Spiritual Health Experience.
Fault your oath, and welcome to a 5-minute mindfulness meditation timeout at Caliso Bay, County Waterford, Ireland, with me, the Irish mindful guy, Dar O'Rourke, part 2. To feel the benefits of mindfulness, you need to practice for maybe about 6 weeks, 10 to 15 minutes a day, and expect nothing before then. Be patient with it, and it's like anything, it's just practice. At around the 6-week mark, you might notice that you're smiling more and you're a bit happier, and you'll wonder to yourself why, and you'll realise that it's the mindfulness, and that will encourage you to expand your practice. So let's begin. Start by taking a deep breath in through the nose and slowly out through the nose. And notice if you can just relax your shoulders a bit, and also your jaw. And we're going to listen attentively to the sound of my footsteps walking across the pebbles. And to the sound of the waves crashing against the shore. And take a deep breath in and a slow breath out, and notice if you're holding any tension in the body, and just pay attention to it and try to relax it. If your mind has wandered, that's okay. Bring your attention back to your breath, back to the sound of my footsteps, and back to the sound of the waves. And try to notice the different variations of the colour blue you can see in the sea and the sky. And as we come to the end, I'd like to thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you soon.